We've had past nominees who said they would honor precedent, and then they joined the Citizens United opinion. And when I was hearing your discussion with Senator Whitehouse, in which you talked about how Congress should step in again, and they did with the McCain-Feingold bill, and we tried, and then it was struck down basically with Citizens United. And so that is the problem. We are left with nothing now but a constitutional amendment. And I personally view this as was a lawmaking from the court, the Citizens United case. And so I'm trying to figure out where you are on this. Do you think contribution limits have constitutional problems, and what can Congress actually do to rein in the flood of money?
As a D.C. Circuit judge, I've upheld contribution limits in two important cases. One, ruling against the RNC in RNC versus FEC, where it was challenging limits on contributions to political parties, and I rejected that challenge. And another, Blumen versus FEC, contributions by foreign citizens to U.S. election campaigns, and I upheld that law.
Let's just talk about that case, because your opinion left open the possibility of unlimited spending by foreign nationals in the United States on issue advocacy. The same kind of activity that we saw by the Russians in 2016. And in fact, a Russian company facing charges brought by special counsel Mueller actually cited your opinion in arguing to have these charges thrown out. Does that concern you at all?
Our case dealt with contribution limits, so that's what I was opining on in that case. So I'm not sure that there are, the state of the law on the expenditure limits was not before us in that case, and so I don't want to opine on expenditure limits.
Well,
what I did
should know that it was that opinion was cited by.
Well, I don't know if it was cited. Well, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk about a pending.
I
don't want to talk about a pending case, but.